Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good good evening. Okay, so today we will continue with 2.2 Homologous Series. I think we cannot finish all of them. Mungkin kita akan try to cover half of this topic. Kita tengoklah sampai mana kita boleh discuss. Okay. So yang ni more important compared to 2.1. Okay, 2.1 is just introduction about carbon compound. What is carbon compound? What is hydrocarbon? Okay, so today we will discuss about homologous series. Okay, first of all, you have to know what is homologous series. Apa definition dia? Okay, so you can see from the screen, okay, organic compound are classified into group of compounds called the homologous series. Okay, so we have different type of organic compound. Kita classify into group of compound. So this group we call homologous series. Okay. So apa karakteristik of homologous series? You kena tahu what is the characteristic of homologous series. Okay, number one, they will have same general formula. Okay, they will have same general formula. They will have same functional group. Okay, nanti kita akan discuss one by one. Okay, they have same chemical properties. Consecutive members differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atom. It means from one member to another member, they are different by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atom. Okay. And then physical properties that gradually change from one member to the next. Okay. So ini adalah karakteristik of homologous series. Okay. Okay, group of atoms bonded to an organic molecular compound. Okay, what is homologous series? This is the group in the homologous series. So we have alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid, and ester. Okay, kita akan discuss one by one. So tonight, I think I will cover three of them. Okay, alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay, another three of them we will continue next week. Okay, so this is general formula, functional group, name of the functional group, and the type of organic compound. Okay, previous class kita dah discuss organic compound, kita boleh classify into two, which is saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So yang mana which one will classify as saturated hydrocarbon, which one will classify as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so first homologous series adalah alkane. Okay, alkane general formula dia adalah N H to N plus 2, and then N ni adalah carbon. Okay, number of carbon. So N start from 1. Okay, maksudnya alkane ni dia ada C1. Okay. Okay, functional group dia adalah C single bond C. Okay, and then name of the functional group is the single bond between carbon atoms. Okay, type of organic compound is saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, alkene. Okay, next is alkene. Alkene general formula is CnH2n and start with 2. Okay, it means alkene ni dia tak ada C1, dia ada C2. Okay, dia ada C2. So, functional group is double bond between carbon atom. Okay, double bond between carbon atom. Okay, name of functional group is double bond. Okay, and then they are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Okay, next kita ada alkyne. Okay, alkyne is CnH2n plus 2 and also start with 2. And functional group is the triple bond. Okay, name of the functional group is triple bond. So they are unsaturated hydrocarbon. So kalau ditanya what type of organic compound, saturated means single bond, unsaturated mean double bond or triple bond. Kalau you tengok sini unsatu. Okay, unsatu. Maksudnya dia bukan satu lah. Dia bukan satu means dia ada dua lah, double bond or triple bond. Okay, next. We have alcohol. Okay, alcohol general formula dia adalah N H to N plus 1 OH. Okay, untuk alcohol contain oxygen. Okay, functional group of alcohol is hydroxyl OH. Okay, OH. So name of functional group we call hydroxyl. So it means kalau you nampak ada OH in compound, okay, it may be alcohol. Okay, so they are non-hydrocarbon. This is because they contain other than hydrogen and oxygen. It contain other than hydrogen and carbon. Okay, so that's why kita tak panggil dia hydrocarbon. Okay, next kita ada carboxylic acid. General formula is N H to N plus 1 COOH. Okay, COOH. So functional group dia adalah COOH. Functional group ni actually sebenarnya where reaction occur. Okay. Okay, what is the name of COOH? We call carboxyl. And they are also non-hydrocarbon. Okay, last one kita ada ester. Ester general formula is CmH2n plus 1 COO CnH2n plus 1. Okay, first N. Okay, M start from 0 and then N start from 1. Okay, functional group is COO. Okay, functional group is COO and then we call COO ni adalah carboxylate. It is also non-hydrocarbon. Okay, because they contain oxygen. Okay, this is 6 homologous series that you have to know. Okay, maksudnya you kena tahulah kalau you tengok ada single bond, so you tahu this is alkane. Kalau dia ada double bond, so you know this is alkene. Kalau ada triple bond, it means you know it is alkyne. And so on. Okay. What is molecular formula? So molecular formula is a chemical formula that shows the type. Okay, they can show the type and actual number of atom of each element in a molecule. Okay, what is structural formula? Structural formula will show you type of bond. Okay, dia akan show you type of bond, maksudnya single bond ke double bond ke. Okay, and how the atoms in molecule are bonded to one another. Okay, itu different between molecular formula and structural formula. Okay, for example, we have methane. Okay, kalau you tengok CH4, itu adalah molecular formula. And then, you akan tengok electron arrangement. Okay, this is electron arrangement. Okay, and then CH4, okay, you ada 1C bonded with single bond and you ada 4 hydrogen. Okay, ini kita panggil structural formula. They represent one pair of electrons share to form a single covalent bond. So, hopefully you can differentiate between molecular formula and structural formula. Okay, you have to know how to write molecular formula and how to draw the structural formula. Okay, untuk tajuk ni, untuk topik carbon compound. Okay, this is how we name the compound in homologous series. Okay, based on IUPAC system. Okay, number one, you have to know the root name. Root name ni maksudnya dia refer kepada number of carbon atoms. Okay, root ni adalah refer to the number of carbon atoms. It means kalau you ada 1 carbon, dia akan jadi meth. Kalau you ada 2 carbon, dia akan jadi F and so on. Okay, and then suffix represent the homologous series. It means dia adalah alkane, alkene, alkyne and so on. Okay, for example, if you have 1 carbon, okay, you ada 1 carbon with 4 single bond, okay, you ada 4 single bond, and then you ada hydrogen. Okay, 1 carbon, nama dia adalah meth. Okay, so you tulislah meth. Okay, kalau you ada single bond, what is the homologous series for single bond? Alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid or ester? Which one? What is... Okay, Farah kata jawapan dia alkane. Okay, single bonds refer to alkane. So, you just add A and A behind the meth ni. Okay, you add A and E. Okay, A and E. Okay, so dia akan jadi methane. Okay, for example, you ada 2 carbon. Okay, 2 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 6 hydrogen. Okay, kalau 2 carbon, what is the root name? What is the root name for 2 carbon atom? What is the root name if we have 2 carbon atom? Who can give me the root name for 2 carbon atom? Okay, anyone? Okay, good. Yeah. So, dia adalah F. Okay, ni you refer sini. Okay, you refer here. Okay, and then dia ada single bond. Okay, single bond you tahu dia adalah alkane. So we add A and E. So it will become ethane. Okay, so nama untuk this compound based on IUPAC system adalah ethane. Okay, nanti kita akan discuss further lah untuk kalau you ada branch macam mana everything. Okay. Okay, next. Ini saya dah go through. And you just refer kalau you still didn't understand, refer to this part. Okay. Kita tengoklah one example. We look at one example. Example 1. Okay, dia kata write the molecular formula and name the alkane with 3 carbon atom. Okay, kalau kita refer kepada table tadi, 3 adalah prop. Okay, 3 adalah prop. And then dia kata homologous series is alkane. Mean we have to add A and E. So dia akan jadi propane. Okay, it will become propane. Okay, example 2. You ada alkene. Okay, alkene with 5 carbon atom. Okay, kalau kita refer to the table, 5 is pent. Okay, 5 is pent. Alkene, suffix dia adalah E and E. Alkane, alkane, A and E. Alkene, E and E. So you just add E and E behind the pen. So dia akan jadi pentene. Actually it's easy, okay? Senang je, cuma you have to memorize the root name for carbon. Okay, kalau you boleh hafal, you boleh memorize the root name for carbon, then you can name the compound in homologous series. Okay, so number 1, alkane. What is alkane? Okay, alkane adalah saturated hydrocarbon because dia ada single bond, okay, between carbon atom. Functional group kita dah discuss tadi, dia adalah single bond. Okay, functional group dia adalah single bond and general formula dia adalah CnH2n plus 2. Okay, ini adalah example. Okay, you boleh tengok structural formula CH4 and the name. Okay, name of CH4, so dia adalah methane. Okay, sebab dia ada one carbon. One means meth. And then homologous series dia, suffix dia adalah A and E. So dia akan jadi methane. Okay, apa function methane? Untuk cooking gas of waxy layer. Okay, and then you have to, please remember, bear in mind, carbon dia hanya boleh hold 4 single covalent bond. Okay, satu carbon atom, each carbon atom only can hold 4 single covalent bond. Okay, kalau contoh you draw macam ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adalah sometimes. Bukanlah semua orang. Tapi some of you akan draw like this lah. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so ingat, one carbon atom only can hold 4 single covalent bond. Okay. Okay, go to the next one. Okay, next, alkene. Okay, alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Why? Because they have double bond. Okay, dia ada double bond between carbon atom. So, we call alkene as unsaturated hydrocarbon. You ingat un1, not 1. Okay, means dia ada 2 lah, 2 ataupun 3. Okay, functional group dia adalah double bond between carbon atom and general formula is CnH2n. Okay, N start with 2. Okay, so ini adalah structural formula for C2H4. Okay, C2H4. Okay, maksudnya carbon, between carbon atom, it will be double bond. Okay, and then we just add another 4 hydrogen bond. Okay, sebab tu formula dia C2H4. Okay. Okay, what is name for C2H4? Siapa boleh namakan dia? Can someone name this compound? C2H4. C2, kalau kita refer pada timetable, kalau kita refer to the table, 2 is F. Okay, 2 is F. And then alkene, suffix dia akan jadi ENE. So what is the name? Okay, it will become ethane. Okay, ethane. Dia akan jadi ethane. Okay, it will become ethane. Okay, apa function ethane? Okay, it will refine the bananas. Itu je lah. So bila, for example, I'll give you another example. 1, 2, 3. Double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you name this alkene? Okay, try to name this alkene. They have 3 carbon and the suffix is ENE. So what is the name for this compound? Okay, kita refer balik to the table. Okay, 3 means prop. Okay, and then alkene is E and E. So it will become propene. Okay, it will become propene. Siapa jawab propene tadi? I think others tadi jawab. Okay, Lia jawab propene. Okay, good. Okay. So, C3. Okay, C3 is prop. And then suffix dia adalah en, e. Then you add en, e. Okay, this is how we name the alkene. Okay. Okay, kita ada alkyne. Okay, alkyne is also unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is because they have triple covalent bond between the carbon atom. Okay, functional group is triple bond between carbon atom, and general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and N start with 2 followed by 3, 4 and so on. Okay, can you name this one? You have 2 carbon atom, okay, and then suffix dia adalah YNE. What is the name for this compound? Okay, good. Okay, so maksudnya awak faham lah tu. Okay, so kita tengok longest carbon chain. Okay, longest carbon chain dia adalah 2. So dia akan jadi F. Okay, and then suffix dia adalah Y and E. Then you add je lah N, E. Okay, so it will become ethyne. Kalau carbon 3, dia jadi propyne. Okay, kalau kita ada 5 carbon, 3, 4, 5. What is the name for this alkyne? 5 carbon. Who can name this carbon? Okay, 5 is pen. Okay, 5 is pen. So dia akan jadi pen. Then you tambah Y and E. So dia akan jadi pentyne. Okay, get the idea? Apa function dia untuk metal cutting. Okay. Okay, we go to the alcohol. I think we can finish this. Okay, dah nak habis dah. Okay, alcohol. Okay, this one is not hydrocarbon. This is because the presence of oxygen. Okay, so dia tak boleh categorize as hydrocarbon. Okay, functional group is hydroxyl, which is OH. Okay, kalau you nampak OH dalam compound, means it is alcohol. Okay, general formula is CnH2n plus 1, OH, N start with 1. It means you had a carbon 1. Okay, for this one, same method. We have to find longest carbon chain. Okay, find the longest carbon chain. Carbon 3 is prop. Okay, prop. Okay, ini adalah alcohol. Then the suffix will become ANOL. Okay, you kena tambah ANOL. So it will become propanol. Okay, if we have 4 carbon, dia akan jadi butanol. Kalau you ada 5 carbon, then it will become pentanol. Okay, untuk alcohol, don't worry. Maximum that you have to know, if I'm not mistaken, for it, until carbon number 5 je. Okay, you have to draw. You have to know how to draw until carbon number 5. So apa function propanol? Apa function alcohol? It will become an antiseptic. Okay, we can use alcohol as antiseptic, perfume, solvent, and fuel. Okay. Okay. So alcohol. Okay, name of straight chain alcohol according to the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, determine the number of carbon atom. First step, you kena determine the number of carbon atom, okay, in the longest carbon chain containing hydroxyl group. And then replace the E ending from the alkane name with OL. For example, if you have propane, okay, awak remove E ni, dia akan jadi propanol. Or if we have butane, okay, you remove E, it will become butanol. Okay, this is how we name the alcohol. Okay, for example, okay, we have 4 carbon. So, bila 4 carbon, okay, kita count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kita boleh count from left or from the right. Okay, so you nampak lah counting dia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kalau kita count from the left. If we count from the right, dia akan jadi 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. Okay, numbering start from the carbon atom that is nearest to hydroxyl. It means kita kena start from the right. Okay, you kena start from the right. Sebab carbon tu near to OH. Okay, it's near to the OH. Okay. Then corresponding alkane is butane. So dia akan jadi butanol. And hydroxyl position at carbon number 2. So dia akan jadi butan-2-ol. Dapat tak idea? Get the idea how to name the alcohol? Number 1, kita tengok dulu. Carbon nearest to hydroxyl. So kita kena count, okay, numbering dia start from that side lah. Okay, from this side. Kalau untuk this one, from the right. Okay, so kita calculate lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, corresponding alkane is butane sebab dia ada 4 carbon. Okay, so kita namakan dia butanol. And then, kita tengok where position of hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl ni means OH lah. OH at carbon number 2. So, dia akan jadi butan-2-ol. Okay. This is how we draw the structural formula of alcohol. Okay, mean carbon will bond to O. Okay, then that one is correct. Kalau you draw carbon bond to hydrogen, so it will become wrong. Okay, this is incorrect. So A is correct. Carbon must bond to O. Okay, kalau you draw carbon bond to hydrogen, so dia akan, it will become incorrect. Okay. Okay, last one. I think I have one more, right? Okay. Carboxylic acid is also non-hydrocarbon. It contains carbon, hydrogen, and also oxygen gas. Okay, functional group is COOH, or we call carboxyl. Okay, name dia adalah carboxyl. Okay, general formula is CnH2n, COOH. N, okay, and start with 0. Start with 0. Okay, so in the example, kita ada structural formula HCOOH, okay, N start with 0. So, kita ada 1 carbon. Kalau you tengok ni, total of carbon is 1. So, dia akan jadi methanoic acid. Okay, kita tengok total number of carbon atom. So kalau total number of carbon atom 2, so dia akan jadi ethanoic acid. Okay, so function dia adalah as a vinegar ataupun N bites. Okay, carboxylic acid, how to name? Same as alcohol, kita replace E with OIC. Example, kita ada molecular formula CH3COOH. So the number of carbon atom is 2. Okay, you kena kira ni dua-dua. 1, 2. Okay, kita kena calculate both. So number of carbon atom is 2. So corresponding alkane is ethane. So awak remove E. So awak tambah OIC. It will become ethanoic acid. Okay, example 2. Okay, we have molecular formula. Okay, total number of carbon is 1, 2, 3. Okay, total number of carbon is 3. So dia akan jadi propane. Remove E plus OIC acid. So it will become propanoic acid. Okay, give you another example. For example, we have C4H okay, C4H7 CnH9. Sebab formula dia adalah CnH2n plus 1. Okay, maksudnya 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, COOH. Okay, can you name this acid? Okay, first step, kena kira total number of carbon atom, Haikal. Berapa total number of carbon? 5, right? So kalau 5, pentanoic acid. Okay, good. Okay, so corresponding alkane is pentane. Okay, so kita remove E, kita tambah OIC. So dia akan jadi pentanoic acid. Okay, boleh? This is how we name the acid. Ingat, you kena calculate total number of carbon. Jangan tengok yang depan ni je. Some of you akan tengok yang depan je. You left this one. Jangan. You have to calculate the total number. Okay, boleh? Okay, so describe the physical properties of compound in homologous series. Okay, physical properties of alkane, alkene and alkynes. Okay, dia almost similar sebab dia adalah hydrocarbon. So all of them soluble in organic solvent, insoluble in water. Okay, sebab dia adalah covalent bond. Okay, they cannot conduct electricity in all states. Dia suka tanya soalan ni. Why they cannot conduct electricity? Siapa boleh bagi jawapan? I think few times saya bagi idea why they cannot conduct electricity. Siapa ada idea? Why covalent compound ataupun hydrocarbon cannot conduct electricity? Jawapan dia ada satu je. There's only one answer. I think we already discussed 2-3 weeks ago kot. Okay, covalent bond ni, covalent compound ni molecules or ion? Itu first thing that you have to know. Covalent compound, molecule or ion? Siapa boleh teka? Okay, good. They are molecules. Okay, they exist as molecule. So, bila they exist as molecule, there is no free moving ions. Okay, no free moving ions. So, this is the reason why they cannot conduct electricity. Because we need ions to carry the charge. Okay, so kalau soalan tanya why they cannot conduct electricity, okay, this is the reason why. Okay, next we have low melting point and boiling point. Okay, this is because they are covalent compound. Okay, you kena relate dengan force of attraction. Okay, but melting point and boiling point will increase as molecule size increase. Okay, and then they are less dense than water. Okay, it means dia boleh float lah, dia boleh float on water. Okay, because they are less dense than water. Okay, so conclusion dia, they have similar properties of covalent compound. Okay. Okay, ini this is the important part about physical properties of alcohol and carboxylic acid. Actually, they almost similar pun sebenarnya. Okay, okay, boiling point for alcohol, they have low boiling point but increase as number of uh, they have low boiling point but they will increase with the increasing of carbon atom. Okay, same goes to carboxylic acid. They have low boiling point, but it will increase when the number of carbon atom increase. Okay, physical state of alcohol. Okay, all of them exist as liquids. Okay, same goes to carboxylic acid. Okay, first 9 member of carboxylic acid exist as liquid. Okay, solubility in water. Okay. Methanol, ethanol, and propanol are miscible in water in all proportion. As molecular size increase, the solubility decrease. They are slightly soluble in water. Okay, this is because of hydrogen bond. Okay, and then acid. Acid boleh soluble in water. Why? Why acid can soluble in water? Who know what? Who know what is the reason? Why acid soluble in water? Because they can. Because they can ionize. Okay, acid can ionize. So they are soluble in water. But this one is weak acid. Okay, so dia partially ionized lah. Okay, dia partially ionized. Okay, so you can see here, dia kata molecular size increase, the solubility will decrease. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay, any question? Ada soalan tak? Ini introduction lah untuk homologous series. Kita tak masuk lagi. Okay, so kita still have yang paling penting is next week lah, which is kita akan discuss about chemical properties. Okay, chemical properties ni sangatlah penting sebab dia sangat suka keluar soalan ini. Okay, saya stop recording.